you guys are. I really hope you guys are doing really good. So I'm back with another video, and today's video is not about any new products but about a product that we have been using for so long, but we never talked about it, that how amazing these products are. So I thought of coming up with a video, like educating you all how beautiful the product is. So by the title already you might have guessed what this video is going to be about. So without wasting any more time into this intro, let's just go and get started with it. The situation nowadays is something where we have to keep certain things in mind, like we have to keep mask along with us all the time. We have to put on the mask, so we need some kind of makeup which can go for every day. Like the situation right now is not something where you can wear makeup like that, those heavy makeups, and go out just like that. So we need some kind of product which go with the mask and which you can say fit a mask. So Maybelline has come up with a range which fits your mask, which is really good, because we all love using makeup, but the weather and the situation right now, we always skip the part, because whenever we wear a mask it just gets really messy, but don't worry ladies, because now you have a product which you can wear under a mask and you don't even need to think twice before wearing it. So I have the Maybelline Fit Me range with me, which is Skin Fit and Mask Fit. This range controls oils, which is why they are Mask Fit and Skin Fit, which leaves a matte finish, but still your skin doesn't feel dry, which is so good. So the Fit Me range by Maybelline is non-comedogenic, meaning that they do not clog your pores. So you might have heard from a lot of people that you shouldn't be wearing makeup every single day. That is because makeup usually clogs your pore, which leads skin damage and skin breakage sometimes, like if you do not take care of your skin after using the makeup. But with the Fit Me range, you do not even need to think about that, because the entire range is non-comedogenic, which means they are not going to clog your pores, so your skin can breathe even with having them on your skin. We have talked about the product and the range a little bit. Now let's just go and talk about the product in depth a little bit, so that you can understand about the products a little bit more. So talking about the very first product, which is the concealer, which is my favorite out of the entire range, because of their texture, because of their coverage, because of their shade range and whatnot. They are like, I think there are a lot of bloggers and makeup artists too who uses this concealer, and you will be finding this concealer on their vanity for sure. This concealer has so many good things about it. Firstly, it is affordable, because we Indians always seek for products which are affordable. Secondly, they are from Maybelline and has amazing quality. Thirdly, their shade range, they have a lot of shade range, starting from lighter shade to darker shade, which you can use for highlighting, contour, and also for concealing your darkness and concealing your dark spots. You get variety of option, variety of undertone to choose from, which is amazing. Thirdly, the texture, they have a moussey sort of a texture, creamy texture, which doesn't dry out your under eyes or the areas like some of the concealers do. So I've applied it today under my eyes and also around my mouth. You can see there is no fine lines. Even if there are, that's very less. And then I have a foundation with me, which is again one of my favorite, and I know this foundation would be a favorite of many. This one is in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. So this is their matte and pro lace foundation. Earlier this foundation was not having any pump with it, so many of the bloggers and many of the people including me has a complaint that this foundation is perfect from every aspect apart from the pump, but I'm glad that they have included a pump into this as well. So now this foundation is perfect. Like the foundation also has like different shade range along with different undertones, and the one that I am having has like olive undertone, you can see. And the third product that I have over here is the Fit Me Loose powder. Again, one of my favorite powder. It's so mild and has again very good shade range to choose from. Whenever I highlight my under eyes to set that area, I use this one. Now, as I have talked about the products, now let me tell you how exactly I like to use this product. So the very first step that I do to my everyday base routine, that is to conceal the darkness. You can see I have quite a bit dark circles under my eyes. So what I do, I take this product and then apply it to the area. I do not apply much because this concealer has a good coverage, so you don't even need that much. You need a little bit, a decent amount. Just apply it under your eyes and wherever you feel to cover. Like I usually like to apply it around my mouth, and also I have spots around the cheek area, so I apply wherever I have a dark spot. I'm using the brush in one side and I'm blending the other side with a sponge. And you can see in both the ways the concealer just nailed it. So this concealer is really amazing to cover up your dark areas, your under eye areas, and also cover up the blemishes and decreases the puffiness in your eyes. So the next step is to apply the foundation. So for that I take a generous amount of this foundation. Usually when I apply this foundation for everyday basis, I just take one pump. But whenever I feel like I need a little bit more coverage, I go for 2 to 3 pumps depending on the occasion I'm attending or my mood. I generally like to take the product with the help of my fingers and dotting it all around my face, as you can see. And then to show you the application, I'm just blending the foundation in one side of my face with the help of the brush and the other side with a beauty blender. And again in both the sides you can see that it gives a very perfect finish. Now let me show you how it performs when you want to layer this foundation. So I'm taking the product and then applying it to the cheek area because that's where I have little bit more spots, blending this with the help of the brush, and you can see how beautifully it layers and do not look patchy, cakey at all. And this foundation gives you a mattifying effect but still do not dry out your skin, which is the best thing about the foundation. And then to highlight my under eye area, I'm again using the concealer by Fit Me range, and this is in the shade 25 medium. I'm applying very little amount under my eyes and then just blending it with the beauty blender, and you can instantly see how brightening my under eye is looking. Because this concealer has a wide shade range, so I can choose the highlighting and concealer shade with the same concealer range. The fourth step of me using the Fit Me range is to set the concealer. So for that I use this Fit Me loose powder. It has a very fine texture of the product and is perfect to set the under eyes and even your entire face. This foundation has a mattifying effect, so you do not even need to set your entire face, but if you are from oily skin type then you can do so. So I'm taking this powder with the help of beauty blender. You can even use a brush too. So I just pick up generous amount and then I just push the product onto the area where I have applied the concealer just to set the area, and you can see instantly the puffiness that I used to have under my eyes, it just went away. And this is what my skin looks after completing the entire makeup. You can see I have blush, highlighter, setting powder, contour and other products on my face, but still my skin is looking so good, and it goes with all other products perfectly, which does not make your skin look cakey. Perfect for everyday and also for party wear or any other heavy function. You can wear in both ways as well. You just need to increase or decrease the amount of the product that you use and can create any party makeup or a everyday makeup, which is so good. And this entire range goes perfectly with under a mask as well. Let me show you how exactly I usually wear a mask over the makeup and still it looks perfect. And this entire range is Fit Me Fit Mask, meaning that it fits your skin perfectly and also goes well under a mask too. And also you should be keeping one thing in mind, that these products are not transfer proof, but it controls oils and gives you a mattifying effect, which is perfect to wear for every single day. And I have been telling you from so long that they have a variety of shade range and there are a lot of shade and also a lot of undertones. So at some point you might be feeling a little confused your perfect shade. But you need not to worry about that because they have a virtual try-on facility in their website. All you need to do is to go to their website and try on their virtual try-on facility where you can choose your correct shade through doing that virtual try-on, and then you can know your perfect shade, and then you can get your own shade and order it from their website without any hassle. Isn't it really amazing and really easy to choose? I know the feeling that how difficult it is to choose a shade online. So I am really glad that Maybelline has a virtual try-on facility. So yeah, in case you want to check their products out, I have links in the description box. You can get them from Flipkart. All the links will be in the description box. So be sure to check all of them out and order your products because I know you're not going to regret. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then you know the drill. You need to subscribe to my channel for more such content, and also give this video a very big thumbs up, share it with your friends and comment down below. And I will be coming up with more videos like this in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you.